Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to find the hostname in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. A hostname is the unique name assigned to a Linux machine on a network. It identifies your system for communication, remote access, and configuration. Methods to find hostname in Linux. 1. Using hostname command, open a terminal. Type hostname. Press enter. Displays the current hostname. Simple and works across most Linux distributions. 2. Using hostnamectl command. Type hostnamectl. Press enter. Shows static hostname from /etc/hostname. 3. Checking /etc/hostname file. Type cat /etc/hostname. Press enter. Displays the hostname stored in the configuration file. 4. Using uname command. Type uname-n. Press enter. Shows the network node hostname. 5. Using nmcli, network manager CLI. Type nmcli general hostname. Press enter. Displays the hostname if network manager is installed. Tips and notes. Changing hostname. Use sudo hostnamectl set -hostname new name to update. Persistence. Editing /etc/hostname and /etc/host ensures the name stays after reboot. Restrictions. Hostnames can include letters, numbers, hyphens, and periods, up to 253 characters. Admin rights. Viewing hostname doesn't require root, but changing it does. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.